Let's be honest. Most people don't fail at budgeting because they're bad with money. They fail because they hate budgeting. It feels restrictive, judgmental, like someone is telling you what you can't do. So today we're going to rebuild budgeting from the ground up, in a way that actually works for real people. I walked into Money Café and immediately noticed the energy was tense. Sam was staring at a notebook like it had personally offended him. Mia was typing furiously on her laptop. Leo was shaking his head. Something was happening. Sam slammed the notebook shut.
I tried budgeting, I lasted 2 weeks.
Same.
It just makes me feel guilty every time I spend money.
And that right there is why most budgets fail. Not because people are lazy, but because the budget was designed like a punishment. A budget is not a jail cell, a list of shame, or a tool to make you feel bad about your past. If your budget makes you feel miserable, you won't stick to it, and a budget you don't stick to is useless. So let's reset the definition. A budget is simply a plan for your money. That's it. It tells your money where to go before it disappears. Not after, not in hindsight, before. A budget doesn't control you, it gives you control. Before you change anything, you need awareness. Most people don't actually know where their money goes. They have a feeling, but not facts. So the first step of budgeting isn't restricting spending, it's observing it. No judgment, just curiosity.
I stopped using fancy apps.
She pulled out a notebook. 3 categories: needs, wants, future. Me, that was it. No colors, no formulas, no stress. And for the first time, budgeting didn't feel overwhelming. This is one of the simplest budgets that actually works. Bucket 1, needs rent, food, utilities, transportation. Bucket 2, wants coffee, entertainment, fun, lifestyle. Bucket 3, future use savings, emergency fund, investing. You decide the percentages, not or in. Not or in. Schaffer mar. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is balance.
Leo admitted something important. I made my budget too strict. No fun money.
It worked for about 10 days. Then one bad day happened, and the budget collapsed. That's the danger of unrealistic budgets. They don't bend, they break. Budgets need flexibility. Life changes, expenses shift, energy goes up and down. Adjusting your budget is not failing. Quitting your budget is. A good budget evolves with you.
Most people budget backwards.
They spend first, then save whatever is left. Instead, save first, even a small amount. That way, your future is protected before your money disappears. Automation turns budgeting into background noise. Bills paid automatically, savings moved automatically. Less decision fatigue, less stress. The best budget is the one that runs quietly without constant effort. You will mess up, you will overspend sometimes. That doesn't mean the budget failed, it means you're human. Pause, adjust, continue. The only real failure is giving up. Budgets don't just organize money, they reduce anxiety, they replace guessing with knowing, and knowing creates confidence. Let's recap. A budget is a plan, not a punishment. Awareness comes before restriction. Simple beats fancy. Flexibility beats rigidity. And the goal isn't control, it's freedom. Next time at Money Café, we tackle why saving feels impossible, even when you know you should be saving, and how to fix it without willpower. I'll see you in episode 5.